So we made it to Williams, Arizona last night. We had a major car wreck on the freeway and we had to turn around and add 200 miles to our trip. So, you know, we did a 650 mile day yesterday and here we are, and it's raining. We have some funky weather, but we're all here. So we're at our place in Williams. We stay here a lot, the lodge. As you can see, we got some bad weather right here, but we always get to park our bikes underneath the cover, but we're still going to be hitting the road soon.
Today, just trying to get saddled up here to head up to the Grand Canyon. You can see we got a lot of rain coming down, so got to gear up for that. Doesn't stop us though. We ride through any type of weather. And plus we got to get there. It's going to be nice up there, I think. Be in the cabin, so we're looking the rim. It's going to be incredible.
We're headed to the Grand Canyon. It's windy and
Cold.
you know, we got
latex gloves over our gloves.
but we're doing it. We're troopers.
I'm holding my helmet out so it doesn't do this. See?
And we will hit the road and we're gonna go right out there. So we left Williams, Arizona this morning. It was raining on us, so we suited up. We got the latex over our gloves. We're pretty waterproof, feeling good. It's 37 degrees now, and we're at the entrance of the lovely Grand Canyon National Park. So we're gonna go into the park and check it out.
Where is it?
It's right through there. Here we are. What do you guys think?
It's snowing. We made it here just in time. It's nice.
It's snowing, man. What do you think of that?
Yeah, a little 50-mile run up to the Grand Canyon from that quaint little town, Williams. Had a nice ride, not very wet, and get up to the canyon, it starts sleeting, and guess what? Now we got snow.
Excellent. Let's go have some fun.
Live the adventure.
2Lane. So here's our little historic Grand Canyon Bright Angel Lodge. We have adjoining rooms. So here we go. What do you girls, are these approved by you guys?
Yes, very approved. Definitely approved.
Okay.
Sweet, great old cabins that are cozy cabins.
We're here on the south rim looking down. Snow, fog, clouds.
Canyon's just socked in. Maybe a better view later today or tomorrow.
Yeah.
We'll be around. We'll show you. Lance, when did you first take the Bright Angel Trail?
I was probably 17 years old. Came here to check it out. Pretty cool.
Hey, good morning, guys. So yeah, we had a little snow last night, but a lot more this morning when we woke up and came out to see the bikes. Looks like we're covered. Hoping for about 57 degrees today and warm up a little, get the bikes cleaned off. We normally cover them in the inclement weather, but didn't have a chance. It was weather all night.
Yeah, and it's one of those things when you come to the Grand Canyon, you really never know what to expect, and that's what's so awesome about it. You come here and you get some snow and it's going to be a great day. We'll hang out. We're going to leave tomorrow morning, but we're going to hang out and have some fun and do some sightseeing.
On the phone, the weather says it's 45 and partly cloudy.
Huh, let's check.
Let's see what we got going. Wow. Those clouds are little snowflakes, it must be.
So, all I got to say is this. Come to the Grand Canyon in the wintertime because you never know what you're going to get. This morning we were in a full blizzard, and now, as you can see, the sky's opened up and we're cruising around. It's 50 degrees and it's like, yes. Good morning, everybody. Here we are in Seligman, Arizona. Got up this morning, hit the road about 8 o'clock. It was 32 degrees at the south rim of the Grand Canyon. And we cruised across the Great Desert, and now we're sitting here on Route 66.
Yeah, I mean, you think about, we went to Oatman, then we went to Cool Springs, Hackberry, up to the Grand Canyon, Williams, then the Grand Canyon, and back to Seligman. And look, these are places you need to come see. We really enjoy these rides, and it's good for the soul, I'm telling you.
Route 66, check it out.
So you always got to check these little souvenir shops out there. Pretty cool. Got quite the little collection here of cars and motorcycles. This was the third two-wheel vehicle I actually rode when I was a young kid. Cushman Trailster. Quite the collection. Is that a bull taco over there in the corner? You know, you run into all kinds of different restrooms on the road. Come on, guys.
Check it out. Just get your heads in there.
Oh, that's classic.
Did you guys have that?